Hi everybody, Cookies and Playdays here. Today we are going to unbox the Shopkins Season 3 So Cool Metallic Fridge. It comes with 8 exclusive metallic Shopkins. Let's see the back side of the box here. Wow! Look at that. It includes 8 metallic Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins. I actually already own the older version of the So Cool fridge, but I really wanted to get this one because of the color. I love metallic and the Shopkins looks like so much fun. Okay, so here it is and I cannot wait to unbox this together with you guys, and let's get started. So here it is. This is the metallic So Cool fridge. It is so awesome. Okay, let's get the fridge out of the packaging. Oops, like that. So exciting. And it also comes with 2 shopping bags and a little container glass, I believe, that you can use to catch the ice from the push, pop and drop section of the fridge. It also comes with stickers. Yeah, lots of stickers that we can use to decorate the fridge. Pretty awesome. And also the exciting part, the Shopkins, the metallic Shopkins. It comes with 8 exclusive Shopkins and also 6 mini Shopkins. So let's get this out of the way first so we can see. Ooh, look at the 6 mini Shopkins, the eggs with different facial expressions. Pretty cool. And let's take this out. Wow, I love this. This Shopkins is so awesome. Let's get the Shopkins out like that. So first we got the metallic strawberries and cream. Look at the purple metallic on her. It is so cool. So beautiful. So let's put her back in the fridge. Like that. And next is metallic soda. So cool. I really love this metallic color on the Shopkins. It's pretty special. Wow. Look at its happy face. Let's put it on there at the door section. And next is Mushy Moo. Pretty cool. She's also metallic, as you can see, with pink, metallic, and yellow. Next is Jam. She's also metallic, pink metallic with green cap. Let's put her in the fridge as well. Let's push her in. And next is Apple Blossom. I really love this pink metallic color on her. Let's put her in the fridge as well. So next is Miss Twist. Very shiny and sparkly. I love this color. Next is my favorite, Little Zipper. She is so festive with the umbrella on top and the pink metallic color on her. So cool. Yes, let's put that in the fridge as well. Now the last one is Tommy Ketchup. Tommy Ketchup looks pretty cool in pink as well. So that's all the exclusive Shopkins that's included in this playset. Let's see what else we can do here. Ooh, as you can tell, we can also put Shopkins in the freezer section. And we can take that glass that it comes with and push, and the Shopkin will drop. That's very fun. Okay, let's do it again. Let's take this one, Apple Blossom. Let's see. Okay, close and push and drop. Yay! That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. And we can also store our Shopkins in this drawer right here and this little drawer as well. I believe you can fit at least 25 Shopkins in here. So it's pretty good to store all of your Shopkins, the food Shopkins, in this fridge. Okay, so let's get started with the decorations for our fridge. As you can see, the surface of the fridge is pretty awesome. The color is blue with metallic feature on it. It's very pretty. So let's start with this sticker right here. This is an apple blossom sticker, like that. I don't think I want to put a lot of stickers on the fridge. I want to keep it simple. Let's put this one on. Let's put it here next to apple blossom. Okay, so next, I think I want to take a few stickers from this sticker sheet right here, and let's put star over there, and then let's put okay, let's put strawberry and cream, and then let's put this right there. Yeah, I think that's all I want to put on the fridge. I don't want to cover all of the beautiful metallic color. So here are all the Shopkins. I really like the color of this playset. It's so special. I love metallic colors. So here it is, the new season 3 So Cool metallic fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and see my next video. Bye bye.